In this video I will show you how to force Windows laptop to always use dedicated GPU on power and integrated GPU on battery. Using the dedicated GPU when your laptop is plugged in gives better performance for demanding tasks. When running on battery, switching to the integrated GPU makes your battery last longer, lowers noise and heat, and might save you money and make your laptop lighter. This flexible approach lets you enjoy the advantages based on how you're using your laptop. For this, go to Search and type NVIDIA Control and select NVIDIA Control Panel from the list. Then go to Manage 3D Settings. Click the Program Settings tab. Then select Desired Program from the list. If you have game, you can select that. Then under Preferred Graphics Processor, select High Performance Graphics Processor. Then click on Apply. You can do for other program as well. If you do not find program in the list, then click on Add button and select your desired program. Then click on Add Selected Program button. Then select High Performance NVIDIA Processor and click on Apply button. If you want to apply globally for every program, then navigate to Global Settings. Then under Preferred Graphics Processor, select High Performance Graphics and then click on Apply button. With this settings, a dedicated GPU on power provides superior performance for demanding tasks, while switching to the integrated GPU on battery significantly extends battery life. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.